blood clot, kangaroo, all blood clot, mama. Come suck me. Suck your mother, girl. I'm gonna come out for this. I just come here to come tell you that. Because you see me there for 1050. Lava answer me. I need you for answer me. Pussy have nothing for nobody ask you for. Bumba hole, your asset. Yeah, your liability. Pussy is nothing. Suck your mother, girl. Suck your mama back with your girl. Suck your mama when she sell pussy to girl. Girl, you suck your mama belly for your belly, girl. And the mama sell pussy and the cocky come up there. You snatch and pan it and hang and pan it and pierce and pan it. God move your blood clot, baby war. Upcoming blood clot or born blood clot or but suck your mother. Fuck your healer. Nikki, no, we just a unique, but it's a tangent card.
Yes, me know ya.
Me say, laugh at my heart. Me say, no.
Jesus, please.
Me say,
You put us at yourself, what me do?
Yeah, Jaya, mama, wait, me say, Jaya, do them something there, no? I pour me.
Jara mix up, you know.
I say, laugh at my stomach. I say, me get nervous, you know. I say, my tongue down to blood.
Hey, that couple seconds, about 10 seconds. Me head have a weird.
Rafa, what you say, you need? I say, blood clot, how me do know? So much. I say, me heart.
You drink some water? You drink some water?
I know me can't reach her, but me can't reach in the kitchen. No, sir.
Jesus, please.
Rafa, me can't reach in the kitchen. Me lie down on the bed flat to like me a butter to pull out clot.
Me believe you.
Yo, I know me can't move. No, sir. Nikki, you safe because the people that would have think of me.
Oh. Pussy clot.
Yo, the woman said suck your mother about 20 times. But
yeah, man.
You suck your mother? Now I want the mother out of door here. What the amount of suck your mother, she said.
Hey, you listen to me, man. Ashenzi attack and Chakanap is not a safe place.
Feel it to my heart. Hey, that person that try change them blood cleat there, but the guy said that you need that flood. They make me look bad, I get nervous. I say, Lord God, I say, laugh at me nervous. I say, because I type and I say, who want water? The amount of people in the comment section say they want water.
No, man. Anybody don't want water? I just drank some water.
Hello? I will company. Then I know that Nikki won't have no filter. Hey, when Nikki cause me just sit on and listen, you know. Me that never ever say, oh, me go giant church with Nikki. Me that dead. Me have to just pronounce. No. That person that bring out them still in the comment section. Come not even see the body coming back to blood clean. No, sir.
Alright.
Alright, love.
Make up yourself. Yeah, man, drink some water, my friend. Some cold one. Alright?
Yeah.
Full secret. Jaja. That was steamy though. Whoa. Damn.
I see it tonight.
People, JB production, yeah, going.
But there, man, I see it tonight. I'm up and running.
See that?
Yeah, man.
What going on last night, JB?
You know what I say, yo, me tired last night. I'm not tell a lie, but I watch a live. I was doing and fill a request and did it and thing, and me even know what happened from this, so.
Sick lad.
Yeah. But you don't want to fuck me up, there. I'm not even know, see me up on live and snore.
Hey, I snore, brother, man.
Yeah, man, I tell you. Yeah, man, so what go on live night, yeah?
But they still me go and, you know, overlook a regular thing, chat and laugh, I go and freestyle, I go and bug out, and you understand me?
Yeah.
But remember in a JB, Sunday, August 29, chat and laugh anniversary in New York, Sunday, August 29.
29?
Yeah. And people, hold on, the people tomorrow are the last day of the sale, the 30 to 50% off. Tomorrow are the last day of the sale, 30 to 50% off. So all you have to do, click on the link and I'll buy it right now, get the Chat and Laugh merch. Tomorrow are the last day for the 30 to 50% off. Click on the link in my bio. And if you need any Chat and Laugh tickets, click on the link in my bio. And also, if you need any Fresh Monday tickets, click on the link in my bio.
Right there.
Yeah. So did. I'd be back from Buckler. So, why do you think then, JB? So, we'll line up that and boom, boom, boom next week and boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
All right? Big artist to me, yeah?
Yeah, man. Up.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
Melissa, you feel great too. Melissa, yes, lava, your friend them come for me. Melissa, you feel great too. You feel away, your mama feel away, your granny for blood clot go away. The whole family wanna for go away. Yeah, you need but all for the people them blood clot like 8 bills. 8 bills I mean not pay it. Anyway, you see me come take it from me, come suck me. When I can't give me liquor bill until me one price, I'm going to one price and I come back and see a different price. Oh, so you know, so I know me owe for the liquor. Me tell the whole world say I owe for the liquor. I like when you talk about liquor. 8 bills I owe for the blood clot liquor. I don't owe nobody. And that me I tell you, go suck your mother girl. That you have to do. No, me see how Florida you come from. Yeah? And then give me the liquor lava. And then tell me, say, one money, me give them 1 money, then them come back and say, I did know them miscount. And my fault, me nobody miscount. You need to fall up on your blood clot, mama. Suck your mother, girl. That's why you come to suck your mother. Suck your mother, girl. I bad me sitting here, but I get dollar. Can't got small clear blood clot. That's what you do. Me there everywhere. And I pay no blood clot, body, yeah.
Where's a miscount or something?
Yes.
Well on, I'm go for look juice and cookie. Well on there. This is serious.
So I each about something, but I'm
just
well a day care.
Well, I'm go for
I want you. No matter decent somebody, you need to suck your mother, go pull up on their blood clot, mama. Suck your mother, girl. Me not no money for pay nobody, and nobody can beat me feet. When the camera got small claim blood clot coat, me name never depend on paper, come suck me, girl. Move your blood clot, you worry about liquor, you have liquor store. When I have blood clot liquor store. I don't know. When I authorize to sell liquor, they could take it though. They could take it the real way. When I authorize to sell liquor, when I have a liquor license, when I authorize to sell liquor, culture done you suck more wood than me. When me get ready for suck, when me could me suck no wood, because you suck and yam the blood clot with them. No wood never left for me suck. When me ready for go suck with culture done, I me get ready and sag up my mouth and grease up my mouth and put on my blood clot, my condom on my mouth, me get to realize, say, you suck up the whole of the blood clot with them. I will hungry take your yam them blood clot. Come suck my pussy dry blood clot. Boy, come walk with a wetty pussy. Come suck my blood clot and then I get dollar. Come lick out my bottle while I'm in a toilet paper and come suck money, come play ring a rosy. Roll my dirty blood clot draws them. I say, who is the posy? Come suck me, not pay $1. Suck your mother girl. Culture that suck out your mama, boom, flick up in your mama, go fuck and suck your blood clot, mama. You know, come suck me. Anyone see me come beat me. I want him to have to ask, you know. You know, have liquor license, other authorized to sell liquor. You know, have liquor license. And that more I know. Suck your mother, the whole I know.
Yeah, I want to know.
Later,
I thought to hold on.
What?
But if hold on, come and get my cookie and my juice and...
I couldn't wait for you, brother. Everything I run. I want to you. When I come here about liquor bills, when I have liquor license, when I have liquor blood license, nobody can style me. When I have liquor license, when I learn for count. When I give people 1 bill, I give people 1 bill. I can't give people 1 bill and come back now and say, no, at the wrong count. I suck your mother culture, then I want to know. I suck out to no mama, man. I want to know, man. When I know she bought me there, party every day, I know it. When I have liquor license, when I come here, like, when I feel like, when I have liquor license, that more blood clot. When I have liquor license, when I authorize to sell liquor, when I authorize to sell liquor, I that more blood clot. When I authorize to sell liquor, when I authorize to sell liquor, when I authorize to sell liquor, that's one thing I want to ask. Pick up yourself, Munchie, long time I don't see you. Yeah, ring a rose about the dirty blood clot draws them, but that me I tell them.
Which Munchie that? Which Munchie that?
Philly, when I from Bricklight, so when I Bricklight,
so Munchie body done yet?
Leave
Munchi
her
body
alone.
done. Munchi
Leave
body
her
done
alone.
fasty.
Eh? Una have liquor like so? Una come here like you want come style or what? Una have liquor like so? I want to want me call Pano. The people that were respond to liquor like so. Alcohol, what do I call ATNF? Alcohol, tobacco and firearm. What do I call ATNF? Alcohol, tobacco and firearm. Eh? What I like so for sell liquor? I don't want to know. What I like so? I want to come blood clot something. I want to call ATF. Alcohol, tobacco and firearm. Can't go code for liquor. I show no liquor license. I want a blood clot. And I'm matter of fact, oh, you need to take a suck your mother. I'm going to screenshot your blood clot. See, now I care down the body there. Suck on no mama. Now I get tala. Blood clot. Take me off lava. Now I get tala. Can't go blood clot coat. Since you don't have
People, if y'all can see right now, the time is approximately 10:50. So everything finished now. 10:50 argument done from tonight. I liquor license him now.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Buckler. Somebody asked if my I'm black munch if I'm feel it. Long time I'm black munch. Munch just say being rude. I'm munch alright. But me that feel over the weekend munch is supposed to go feel it go do a go mind me go do a body. I will pass up more and do something she don't do a body already. I don't know. Munch body done already. That was quick. So you know the police button, you know? Buckler, no. People, in 1 year time, she's finally over here for the past 1 year.
Lava, where you grudge me for? Where you grudge me for? Where you grudge me for?
Buckler!
Where you grudge me for? I'm a flat belly, I'm a stiff breast, I'm a big body. Where you grudge me for?
Hold on there. Are the boat had money to do that?
Bonnie, your son hurt.
Buckler! Are the boat had money to do that?
Bonnie, your son hurt.
Are the boat had money to do that?
Your son very hurt.
Pussy clot! Pussy clot! Yo, me glad me have a feel it Sunday. Me have found a feel it Sunday. Me have found a feel it Sunday. Me have found a feel it Sunday. Buy it.
Bye. Yes.
Pussy clot! Goods come out. You look a boat ride money your goods get. I fed up. I fed up. Buckler. I can't be bothered though. Trust me. This is too much. People, July 30th, pre-order Vice Carter new album, Born for This, album out August 6. Pussy clot. This is safe. No from a this, but Soko, I think the police button, the cookie them more nicer when them crispy and tough. Yeah, and I like say you know we have to have them dropping in the water, the juice or make it go and soak. Like you know American wait and when you season meat, you make meat go and look marinate or something. Yeah, and I saw the flavor and enjoyment. It's not there when you do all of that. You soak it, cook them tough like this. You enjoy it more better. Get where I come from? Cause you want you yes. You understand me? Yeah. You understand me? Me know you're not nice, but I said, him do that. I saw it though. You're not nice, but I like, what the fuck is that? The cookie. You understand me? Mm-hmm. Fresh. Oh, yeah? Well fresh. We never soak it.
Say can't do 11 o'clock, brother. I teach them real, brother. I suka eat mash and shit. It's not like teach them real, brother. Add that to me, pa. Suka eat mash and shrimps.
Suka eat what?
Mash and jerk shrimp. Can buy first, him order some wings first, and him could eat the wings then. Is it? So him could eat the wings and someone know how my name dropping on this. Is it me?
Him say he report him page.
Me no, him come and ask him what him page now work. I say I know.
Him say like you report him page.
I ask him where am I do? Him say him that cuss out someone last. Him say the person cuss out of them report your page, brother. Is it because you can't want dirty wine, ain't no one about to talk to you about dirty wine behavior.
Yeah.
Them are gonna talk about it, brother. See, it's like how this is sometimes people just come and talk.
Lava, you're really corny though, you know. That's not even funny. And why you eating out your kid's snack, bro? Why you eat a kid's snack?
Not nice, start to you.
Not nice. I inform him and I invite to go nowhere else.
I can bring them a career. Add me with the corny man. The man will laugh.
Bro.
And you get me in the same category and fuck up my career. You know what? Now I see on this corny man there, brother.
Not nice is the last time I invite to go nowhere. Yeah, informer. Let's know that.
No, brother, but
the last time. Lava, I'm right now. I really didn't eat the wings. You know the reason why though? Those wings are too big, bro. Them look like something injected in them. I never want to eat that.
Oh, me know them look wings there.
Yeah, I'm afraid of them wings. I didn't know that. But now you come scandal me. All right, not nice. Next time, you're going to stay by yourself, bored and thirsty. Tell the people them say, I bought you a meal and drinks. How about that?
Wow.
Tell the people them say we even now, but buy you a meal and a drink. And a few drinks.
Well, not nice.
yeah.
In our hotel there now,
Yeah.
Yep.
why is it from your party you use whole of your party money and go from hotel to hotel?
That's everything have a reason.
No, I don't want to talk to you. So you talk to me, I circle.
Man, so from your party in the hotel, why? What's the reason? Tell the reason.
You say you buy me a meal, now I get them to
No, I bought you a meal and a few drinks. Get it right.
I never.
Say a lie, me a tell. Say a lie, me a tell. Say a lie, me a tell. Lava, you know what I'm doing, Lava?
Somebody trying to look like you can't put a date. You buy a meal and a drink where you can buy.
Hey, no listen to me, man. Ashenzi attack and Chaka now.
You know the man, the Lava. But then you know the man had a bag of something, you know. And when the time to pay the bill, I was so can't find that. I said, well, that nice. That nice guy named care all along. Can't find the man. So I said, okay, I get it. Alright, I spit out the money right now. $400 bill come to, so he paid half of that. Cause guess what now? The $184 I owe him.
Yeah.
I take it out back in our bill. Everything good.
Not nice.
Young brother.
Dr. Prince come at your party?
Who name son?
Africa.
Who name son?
Sorry.
Alright.
So not nice. Tell the people them say we even now, please. Thank you very much.
In 1 mile.
I think I paid for the NSC probably like 2 times.
Gothels Bridge.
So is it you? That person.
If what?
It's okay, I pick up a customer.
Yeah. No, me I drop off what? I made it to Jersey, yo.
Okay. So what
Yes,
about
sir.
Jersey?
But just say me I drop off somebody, don't you? Just say me I drop off a customer.
Oh.
Yes, sir. I'm dropping a customer off.
Alright,
Is that okay?
bro. Alright.
Alright, bro. Tell them to follow the new, follow the new page, by the way, because the other one, I don't know what's going on with Instagram right now. So if y'all like me like that, follow me. Thank you. And Labor Day, September 6th, 2021 is my barbecue, guys. It's a 9th annual. Come out and make sure to support.
In 2.2
Thank you very much.
miles.
Thank you. Bye.
Keep left to exit 3A, I-95, New Jersey Turnpike.
Yeah, that's up.
New York City and everybody in the tri-state, get ready when DJ Love and Buzz Nation brings you the Chat and Laugh Anniversary, New York. Sunday, August 29th, at a venue to be announced. Chat and Laugh Anniversary. Produced by Platinum Kid, Rodney, DJ Kid and Entourage, DJ Pressure, and DJ Shabby.
If you can't afford African women, well, I don't think you can afford any women anyway. Don't call me talking about you're gonna stay away from you. Remember, you're not nice, but that's your name. But I am not nice.
Hey, no listen to me, man. Ashenzi attack and Chaka Laugh is not a safe place.
I'm just saying, man. The point I'm trying to say is that if you can't take the diss,
go home.
I know your mouth is very, very busy and it can't close, but
Boom. Whoa.
I'm just saying, until you apologize to all the African women, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. He gotta do that shit publicly,
right?
And apologize to all African women, which is every black woman. Come over here talking about women. Remember, he said, "Oh, I'm doing this before attention. I don't need attention. I'm a fucking handsome man with good teeth."
Pussy club.
So, what I'm saying is this, man. Don't write me a paragraph in my fucking DM. That's for women.
Oh. Why not nice how that cause him thing up on himself, bro?
Exactly. I give warning all the time. Remember, I'm the one who always talk good about Notnice. I always say Notnice is a good guy. Just leave him alone. You know what I'm saying? Leave him alone. But yeah, you want to come on live talk about African women eat flies and them dirty and all this shit? That's my mother and my sister and his mother and his sister and your mother and his sister he's talking about. Right. That's unacceptable.
Right, wrong. So wrong.
We're not doing that, man. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna do that. So at the end of the day, I understand though. I kind of understand them. You see, when you're used to dating cockroaches and not women, you don't know no better.
Bumbleclad.
I will say it again before I leave. Yeah. A roach is not a spider, right?
Jesus, peace.
We said a roach will never be a spider.
Never.
A donkey is not a horse.
Damn right.
And remember, MLS is not Champions League.
Whoa. And just like a fly is not a fucking beast.
It will never be.
Never.
Right.
Are you ready to apologize to all African women?
Yeah. I apologize. I can't answer them something.
Are you going to apologize to all African women or not? Are you going to apologize?
Not nice. That's what I'm saying to you. Not
nice. You are wrong.
One thing not nice. Just apologize and they can finish. If you want to finish, they finish.
Apologize.
Yes.
And now blood clot apologize to nobody. Even apologize and who else in the life, me now blood clot in a pussy. Oh, you not tell you for apologize. I mean, you come, brother. I hear the same thing. I come, listen, brother.
Oh, me no know him attack. You will never mention ear name.
No. He wouldn't say that. You said it. You said it.
Jamaican woman Becky, Jamaican woman Marga, Jamaican woman this and beat on Jamaican woman. Ask Hero, yeah. So we say yes, the Jamaican woman Becky. When the African woman them come over here, they have to take something because them eat roast and eat whatever. If I bring them Jamaican woman them, so what? We never said bad, we just running joke. I then
Wait, my guy. Hold on. Not nice. Wait, bro. You gotta take breaths. You gotta take deep breaths when you talk.
I take a deep breath.
Take deep breath. Hold on. Wait, my guy. My guy, calm down. Listen to me. I would never say listen, I never say Jamaican women anything. I said they're slim, and you guys need to feed them better. Or else we gonna come do it for you.
There you go.
Yeah. I say you need to feed them better and treat them better. Or we African men will come and do it for you. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Now you come and say African women eat flies and fleas and all this shit. Honestly speaking, if I that him say him not said nothing about it. Yeah, exactly. And now you pass your place and say African women eat fleas and flies. You can't say that, bro. No. Just apologize, bro. Apologize, man. Just apologize.
Listen. Him
not
say,
to me. Not to me.
Nothing wrong with him say I'm not nice. Nothing wrong with him say. Him say they're slim and to feed them better. If you're the guys not doing it, the African man will come do it. That him say.
Simple.
And that's alone him say.
What does that say?
Okay.
What does I say? Not nice. What did I say? Not nice. Come on, we with me.
Jamaica woman Becky, I tell them that you say.
I never said no such thing. Are you crazy? I would never say no fucking such thing, bro. You know why? Bro, it's okay. Just apologize to the women. I apologize to the women, bro. Say I'm sorry. That's it.
No, apologize to nobody, brother. You dumb.
Why not? You can't say they eat fleas and flies.
Lava, hear me say. Them the part, we are here and them, the part live around joke.
I'm sorry to the women, bro. Just say it, man.
Somebody said African a lie.
Like you more. Lava.
Number what?
African appear this bumbo club pitch about, I find this woman and treat woman like shit. Africa can't treat nobody over here, brother.
What women do I treat? Hold on. Wait. But guys, calm down. When you talk, man. Jesus Christ. This guy.
No, listen now. I think I'm gonna put you guys in the all in cell until next week Wednesday. Simple.
Yeah.
Right?
Because
no, listen. You guys gonna go inside the all in cell until next week Wednesday. Code it for the next week Wednesday. All right? Later on. Call it BLF.
Yes, sir.
All right. Bye.
Yo, Lava. Okay, you hear me? Hear me, see? I don't want nobody paint a picture. Say,
Yeah, hear me,
I hear now.
Okay.
I don't want African as a youth ask me, show mad respect and mad love because I'm humble youth. But I don't want nobody come paint a picture like me. Disrespect for woman and I respect for woman and something. I like that something, brother. See me, we are run joke and you say something, I you say something, and you say African. If the woman from Africa come here, them have to take health tests because them all type of something. And them come up and say, yes, it is true. Them eat. You understand? You say, so I agree to what you say. You see me? So now, you come now and I shoot half of me because guess what now? I don't know, me made the Instagram clown. As me say, you see me say, you shoot half of me now. No, bro. You cannot do that, African. Speak the truth, brother. You can't make woman like say, oh, you know, respect for woman, him disrespect for woman. No, and I'm not nice that. You see me? My style. You see me? The only love I'm explain something to you. The problem with woman. You know what I'm saying? It's something.
The problem with what?
With that woman, saying, it's sometimes with that woman, I'm going to fuck them properly, lava, and then all them say them now, so them no want in a life, and them no want an ambition, they move along, come to America for that. Look, I'm living my house at Jersey, I can't say hotel for a week, I can do what I want, I can do anything I want. You have to work hard for your own.
Hello?
And I do not eat on the player, eat the game. You see me? That's all I'm saying. Respect all women, I love every woman. You see me? Every woman you have to love and respect, you see me? So don't bother the foolishness, brother. Yes. I'm fed up too, man. I'm fed up. You understand? I'm fed up. But just, I look a while, when I cut off with Suko, a world dog call me. And I'm going to watch that, man. Just love it, you see me? I like some back, brother, you see me? Lava, I'm going to tell you something. I don't want Saturday Night a great show, and it give me a buzz. Killer give me a buzz, and Saturday Night come give me back another buzz again, you see me? So I don't want nobody feeling can tell them. I make money now. I don't have papers, Instagram pay me, and I make money. As and all them something. Some people are broke out, just leave me alone, please. That's skateboard, I'm good, my life, all right. Look here. If you come call me, you have to look up, look there.
Pussy,
You have to look up the school, man.
Mister, you look a fuck shot at you, know.
I know. You must say I look up lava, but listen, my brother. This is a great show. People enjoy this show. Even to them going to one place. When the place smoke house, see the girl. See that? I'm them body head. I was like, who the fuck you talk to? She's like, no, I'm sorry. I just hear mom say it. I'm a lava. I said, you're good, man.
What she call you?
Fuck off. Fuck off, lava. See me? Where's that trade?
No, sir, you explained something and I didn't hear what you said, so I asked you.
If you come blood clot, screenshot that with your space tomorrow morning. But me say, it's a show where make Notnice laugh and beat himself, brother. So I don't want a man feel him can draw me from you. He's not a violent person, brother. You see me? So them stupid people there, brother, stop going like I don't want to program my life. You see me? Yesterday, me and Nikki Blakks start talk. So I'm telling you what I'm saying now. My friend, them know me still.
What's it? It's a purpose star type, right?
I don't know about him. I don't know about him. I don't know about him.
Okay,
You know what I said? You know what I said, GQ. Now, Nikki Blakks yesterday now, she come and she start talking something. But you know me now, she know me already. Yesterday,
right.
I'm upset that I'm feeling about something, so I come and she know me. She know me. That bitch know me. So I come and start cut out her blood clot. I think that you know how much there. And unless I said, no, I don't want nobody come follow. Well, I'm saying I'm a friend of my rate to come follow the thing, brother. I don't want to come follow the thing. You see me? She come, this man, she comes and she comes to talk and watch her. Here now, who we're following now, I'm saying, yo, nah, I'm following the there. And then she goes show her breast and blood clot again.
What?
Yeah, go show her breast for live lava.
Oh.
Nikki, me say,
you gonna show her breast?
I say the woman breast is so black and good. I say, Nikki, I say pussy, brother. I just say, you see me? So bumbuckler, brother.
What on there?
You hear me tell you? Nikki
Black show her breast?
Her breast here for life. Just in front of her door, the number 8.
What on there? She flick out the breast. She flick out the breast.
No, she not ready to flick it to the real. Or she just flick it out, but she hide the nipple them. But the breast just clean, so lava.
Oh, but I just say nipple alone, I say.
Yeah, but I cannot imagine the nipple them. You know the nipple them look like.
Sick, lad. And some big nipple she could have because she lick clean.
Some big with a pink.
Sick, lad.
I tell you. So,
and the top part and around it does look up at top part where you see pretty.
The Blacks, I think the Blacks are 50, brother. And to our blood clot breast, our girl we have 25 breasts look, so they have to do them breasts. And Nikki Blacks breast and do.
Pussy clot.
However, we have to talk to something I said, brother, if you ever get up my shoot. She give me advice to the lava, I'm not a girl, but I look for her.
Just your breast alone.
Alright.
Probably to me, say probably to me, say probably the prettiest part of Nikki Blacks are probably breast them. That's it.
Yeah, I'm not say that. The girl's skin look good, brother. The girl's
skin more skin, brother.
Advice to the brother. She not fuck vice, I'm not a girl, brother. But you know, sir, go, you know, sir, she run a little thing, we call them creech run.
Well, she get fuck vibes.
Over here in a home alone when man go shop. No.
What you feel?
Nikki Black big up yourself, but lava, as me say, that show you is a nice show. I'ma like it. That's you want people to see America.
Some of the types say, when you stop at World Dog, in the AM say, in my lava vex. Akim is alright. Akim big up himself. Ex-gang, big up on himself, support him merch. Simple. Me not vex with World Dog, me and World Dog have a problem. World Dog have a problem with himself. Simple.
This is how this is. Every time, look how one day we can just flip on me. Just flip up on me and start doing my wicked. And just sometimes we just stay. We just have alright. Every time we just sing, I will say, yo, you know, I'm not like how blood clot Rika do that. I'm not like how lava do that. I'm not like how cheese. I will just go and start roast cheese and done her. I roast lava and done him. I said, go. So nobody will follow up this. This, we making money. Are you?
Whoa.
Alright. So, big up everybody who support Tata Laugh. Big up everybody who support the team. Big up everybody who support X-Gang. Big up everybody who support Notnice, Blakks, Rika, the whole team. Is me and this in there. I love our unity. I would have done some fun. So if you want to take it personally, that's on stupid you. Bye. I'm out.
Hey, yo. Somebody say, I'm gone. Yeah, bigger X-Gang. Bossy Nation. Simple. Beast them. Yeah, world bees out here. Bees them out. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with two of them. But I know going on two of them. And see the man I run and I call him man body head. I said body head to blood clot. All bees them out. Oh boy, all bees them out. Lava, you're so messy. What I did?
Time to apologize, okay? Here's the difference between me and people, right?
Right.
First of all, I never said nobody's beggy and all that shit, first of all. You know what I'm saying? People need validation. If what I said that Jamaican women are slim, my exact words, slim and nice, and we are going to come feed them. If that's very disrespectful, then I want to apologize. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Understand what I'm saying now?
Right, respect for that.
Even though I know it's not a diss to anybody, because slim is fucking nice. But we African men love people to be stocky and healthy. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I would never say Jamaican women eat flies and fleas. That's just bad.
Sure.
And I would never, ever accept it from anybody. Not you, not Nice, not nobody. It's just that simple. I've been saying that shit since forever. That don't not diss no women in front of me. I've been saying it since day one. The thing is a joke, but it's not a joke thing. You're not gonna diss no women. Me and Nice have no beef. That's my brethren, no matter what. No matter what. But sometimes you gotta teach your brethren some manners.
Okay.
Man, show up talking about he's making money, this and that. He one of them saying, he just text me messages about how, look at my view, look at his view, look at his view. His view in the hotel. Like, what the fuck is the view? I don't care about that, brethren. I'm by myself out here chilling. You know what I'm saying? And not nice. That's not a hot tub. It's a pool. That's not a hot tub. It's not a tub either.
So this is what I'm saying to you. I'm going to release it to one out of the wall in cell because we don't want a stretcher look, you know?
No.
Yeah, we don't want to stretch it.
Until he has to apologize. I don't care. Or I'm not going to stop. He has to apologize.
Okay.
And I promise you, he is going to apologize.
Afghan, next thing, do you owe me some money, right? You owe me like $1,500, right?
$1,500? That's it?
Yeah, we must find a party and with my hungry party, said, damn, my man, I'm sorry. People telling people, he said, come on the live and make a live and cost me and owe me this and owe me that. And lava is not coming to dirty weekend. Ask him who fucking saved that party. And nigga woke up, oh my God, you're my brother. I love you, man. Love you this and that. Yes, tell people. Yes, tell people. Tell the people that.
Lava, let me tell you something, right? Let's get something straight here, right?
Yeah.
You are good at what you do. You are a great disc jockey. And you deserve every money you charge.
Right.
You deserve it. But sometimes I have like 4 friends, and some of them have fucked up ways. And sometimes you have your fucked up ways.
Everybody does.
Yes. And now, as a brethren of yours, you have to be able to tell your friends when they're fucked up.
Right.
Like, watch this now. The other day, I came to the party I flew into New York just to hear you play, right? The other day.
Over the weekend. Right.
You played at 3 parties.
Two parties.
Two parties. You didn't forget your party. You didn't forget Monday night boat ride at all, right?
Right.
That's my point. But listen to me, man. You did good, though. You did good. You did very good.
That's beside the point, though. Just cash me the $1,500, please.
Okay, that's not a problem. You want $1,500 you want? Plus, will I get you ready? All right,
no,
sir.
No, $1,500, that's it.
All right, sir. God bless you.
I love you, bro.
Love you more.
I see you on the boat, right? I'll see you on the boat Monday.
Of course, absolutely.
All right, then, no problem. Oh, okay. Listen, on the boat ride this morning is Jamaica Color Fair. Because I think on the weekend, next weekend is Jamaica Independent. So on the boat for this month is Jamaica Color Fair. I want to see like something represent with Jamaica, like a kerchief or something.
All right, then the Monday after that, I'm hosting it. Yes, it's called Africans on a Boat.
Hold on. Stop it. Shh. Hold on. Let me see what the next Monday after that. The next Monday after going to be crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up. I'm telling you we're going to be on the next Monday. I'm looking at the date. I've the theme line out already, put away. Hold up. That's the flies in need for drop.
I told you already.
Hold on. No, something like that. I'm going at the WhatsApp message to the flyer man. Hold on, people. I see it now.
What day is that? What day?
Oh, so this Monday is the 2nd.
Mm-hmm.
At Jamaica Color Fair, and the next Monday is tits and ass out for the ladies.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. So which one am I hosting then?
Tits and ass out. So what more and then what more something line up? Tits and ass out.
Tits and ass out?
Yeah, so one of the hosts should I release one of the hosts name?
Yeah, release it.
Should I release one of the hosts name?
Release, what is it? Who is it?
Let's just show over here first. So I know I should hear. Cause our picture was just send me bad.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Pretty in pink. Bad. The flyer soon drop. Pretty in pink. I go to the next person name. Tits and ass out.
Okay, I'll be there, okay? See you then.
Okay, so like come here, Notnice that talk say Nikki Blakks breast them look good.
He will never get within 100 yards of her breast.
But why is she flicking out her breast on social media though?
Because she want him to see what he could never have. Listen, let me go. Yo, bye, lover. I'm going in my tub. Bye.
All right then, later. Bye. Yeah, brother. Yes, everybody. The night upon the boat, not gonna have a blood clot. So, you know, upon the boat, you know, say certain things me in charge and Marcus in charge of certain things. So, the theme them, me in charge of the party. Marcus, I better sit back and say, yo, what that now? I'm say flyers pop up and say, boom, buckler, this bad. So, the ninth gonna be crazy. All right, back, Nikki. Okay. Oh, boy. Nikki, sweet, good night.
I'm trying to put the 1050 to the side and that because you see me I come over here but I feel like me and a blood clot friend. Tell a friend say block me for 1 page and if you block me for the whole 6 blood clot page them.
What are you talking about?
What you mean? The one where they just have over here, it's and tits. Tell them say block me for the whole 6 blood clot page because guess what? Guess what? Me make him have to work the whole line page because me sit down right just on don't move. It's like when me couldn't watch it live because he blocked me. But we sit down here so and block everything and make him have to work the next 5 page them.
Same block, why block you?
What?
Why block you?
Me don't know how much true me talk last time. Me no business. As I'm saying, me sit down right so me not move. So anybody are them with me, me not move. Me not watch the
So I ask you a question now. So why me say that on live I flick out the breast?
Me never flick out my breast. My breast them didn't have a nice pair of Brazilians when I have. Me never flick nothing in my brazier.
But him same seat.
Alright, that means that I'm alive. Did I get trouble and people are talking for what?
See that nice. I'm back.
People,
in the black here.
Listen, is it just like how everybody about out say I about trouble them page? So if him see that, I him did that trouble my page.
So what?
People about say him a trouble them page.
Not nice.
Yes, I him cause me say I'm tell her how it go today now. Me tell her how it go. Dirty Prince first ball it out, yes, Dirty Prince ball it out. Dirty Prince first ball it out. But when Dirty Prince ball it out, no. And Dirty Prince ball it out, no. Dirty Prince in the pan Trouble Live. But the ball it out pan Trouble Live, no. Trouble Live, and when they chat, not nice. Trouble Live just cut. Bloop. Then Trouble come back and say, get a notification, say, when I bully somebody. Yeah, and then my page start get shaky. So see, they know if him over there, if you see breast aguada, he over there shake my page, brother. Him over there shake my page. So if him see the breast and just talk about the breast, yeah.
Him send request at him?
I don't busy with him live, Nah chat to him, I must you might talk to me, know me nah move. Me know me nah move that the people them say never me say that the people
Nikki.
talk to lava. Talk to lava.
Nikki Blakks. No, because you talk about black page. Nikki, me not
talk
doing
to
something.
lava.
A police work that, mama. Don't do that.
Talk to lava.
Don't do that. You see me don't
talk to lava.
Remember, so just like how you have fans and people like you, people like me to say if you not talk shit about me, people them have report the page. So don't
Everybody got tag you. Then me can read Lava.
Nikki Blakks, me there for the road all day today.
Lava, me can read. So me swear the people them attack you.
Lava, look here. Lava, me for the road all day to the Lava. Me not have time. Me there for the life. Say I close my buy all them jeans are brand new, brother. The whole of them. Me not have time for brother. Me there for the road today all day, Nikki Blakks.
A three jeans that take the whole day.
Is that 3 jeans, brother? Is that 3 jeans, Lava? You look good.
Okay. I'm not saying.
Yeah, look good. Hold on, Lava. Look. I'm going to show you, brother. I'm going to shopping today, brother. This shit look good. Look, brother. Look, brother. So bags, I'm going to buy some earpods. See, jeans, them there. The one of them are brand new, Lava. 1, 2,
I'm the party money that.
5. See me?
I'm for the party money that.
What kind of party money? I watch ya. See them go buy sneakers, brother. School man. Lava, me busy today. I don't have time for them fuck brother. Nikki Blakks. Nikki Blakks cuss me. Nikki Blakks doesn't know around. She cuss me. I'm a talk my mind and that's it. Why am I not black? Me just know I'm black off the next page. Cause me know I'm going on inbox.
Black me for the 6 of them. Black me for 6 of blood clot. Them a black out time.
I said to you. Body it. This is what I said to you. Well on, body it.
We are here for you.
You must say to your body head. Only for
hey, boy, Lava, who know you attack? Watch your mouth. Pum forward, watch your mouth.
You try to say something. You try to say you try Jackson.
Where else now?
Behave yourself. People, you need tickets in the Queens. Tickets for Chatham Life Anniversary, they are liquid restaurant right now. You understand me? And next thing too bad, bro. I'm going to say to you last time, I say to you again. Real talk, you need to start with your hat.
Why you stop fucking?
No. When you make a ear, you bring the ear from me and you make your head like a monk, it don't look good.
No, like a ball head cocky.
Yo, see you, hey, Nikki Blakks, you're not chatting with blood clot, you know.
Like a ball head cocky. You ever seen some boy shit?
Cause now you come and talk fuck about me, Page. You can't, Nikki Blakks.
Listen, talk to Lava, make him translate.
All fuck, you know me better than that. You know me better than that.
Lava, me still go want me 1050. I see you make song and I make me have nothing of blood clots. Everybody I did now want blood clot go.
1050 a war for?
I also want to feel less than blood clot. That me want feel
1050 a war for?
Yeah, me want feel broke cocky. Me want feel that, but me not want feel no ball in blood clot cocky.
You get a man in 2 bills here for him?
Him know him not get that. Him know there's no way in heaven him could have get that.
You have about 10. You have about 10, 50.
All right.
Well, I get.
Take 2 bills out there, 1050 and 950.
All right.
Yes,
Pause. All right, pause. I'm going to ask you something. What am I hold the 2 bills for?
That you remember so long as you know. Some liquor where you get, man.
No, liquor? You have liquor license? You have liquor license?
The drunker. Is that girl? Lava. The drunker. Hey, Lava, is that girl? She can't. Lava, I'm telling you, that girl can't see me. Lava. Drunker call me, not nice. Yo, yeah, liquor, I'm sorry. I'm bring everything. Don't worry yourself. Everything you want. I'm going to get the drunker in a year. I know if I have liquor license. She can't see me.
Badness in me, brother.
So I ask you now, hold on. Nikki Blakks, you understand 50 now.
Nikki is a champion. When you been tell me, say, for my birthday, you give me 1 case of all of me, not see the case of all the cases.
No, listen what I'm saying to you.
I see tablet case, I see every kind of case. I'm case the case for the champion them.
I ask you a question, right? Why you never say all of this before you go make a live and
no, because you should have didn't know. Yeah. You should have didn't know. It's just like when you know your birthday and acknowledge it. You should have fit me one in your head and blood clot. No, I'm never supposed to tell you one.
No. Listen.
What you mean, listen?
If you look and realize.
Listen. I don't look and realize your boomer pussy. When time 101 custom print buy the blood clot buckle for me. Why buy the buckle? Because the Monday was my birthday. I mean, I tell you, I want to come on the board for the Monday. And then I call you back and I say to you, you know, I joke me and make me can't come on the Monday because the Monday is my actual birthday. I mean, I want to get caught up in an airport for my birthday in an airport.
You can't talk now?
Just tell me say I like that.
Want me talk now?
Yeah.
All right then. When me go the same night at your party, me there Panama City, me leave from Panama City to LA. You get where I come from? And me reach.
You need to tell the
You know
people
business
that
now.
See,
Oh, you want me listen, but you don't want to listen.
so just there. Bully.
I see you tell her.
So just there, bully.
See there, when the live, yeah man, when the live them report that it's a bullying, your blood clot, yo. I can't hear nobody. I can't hear nobody.
Yeah.
Then you just say me a bully you, and that's all the live I say when them a like.
You just say badness bullying. You just about wait till I'm talk about my liquor. Don't do that. So that's my repeat back what you just said.
No, I'm not bullying.
Because you just said that like a while.
You have liquor license?
Yeah, they know. All right, they're bullying the brother. And you just said to them, the fuck you? We not liquor license.
All right, Lava, you leave from Florida, you go LA. Yeah. You leave from Florida, you go LA. You leave from Florida, you go LA. You leave from Florida.
Leave from Florida and go LA. When me reach back, you know.
Yeah, first stars, eh?
What for things if I get done? The people can't sit to me up on I remember which terminal I made the park. I mean, I have to take the train, go back on the next terminal, and to me up on the live with Marcus, end up and miss me. I have to go round and start back again. So all I do is me miss. Come on, you know me. I know you before every fucking thing.
I know you. I think I know you, but I don't know you.
Okay.
Blood.
You see, no one hear nobody.
You think men are a friend, but she don't know me. That's just it.
No, somebody said, no. Somebody said, isn't that nice, your friend? And then me think about it, and me say friend, and then me say friend, and me say, oh, you know, say, me know him. Yeah, that my blood clot. Say, ask me what me say.
Yeah, she said, you know him. Men are a friend. What can I talk that? Drunk, bro?
Yeah, that me say, me not drunk, I'm not drunk.
So I ask a question.
What can I talk that?
Me not drunk.
What can I talk that?
Listen, me not drunk.
What can I talk that?
Then I listen. Me make it already. Blood clot. Me make it already.
You better take it back.
Nah, take it back. If you have blood clot, if I'm gonna lick it back. Nah, take it back. Make them talk already. I want to can change them.
So I ask a question. What on it?
Let me feel brown.
Listen what I'm saying to you. Not nice.
Me know
so today is verse, right?
Yeah.
Wala Nikki.
The new man agree with that because our body look good in the blood class. Look at our breast.
That's a new man. Whoa, take time, let me get the umbrella. Take time, let me get the umbrella. I don't want you wake me up. Take time, let me get the umbrella.
Bobo clad, that bad.
Hey, no listen to me, man. Ashensiata, can chat and laugh is
not
a safe place.
If I record that drunk and put it up, I'll kill you. You know, record and put up, no. Yeah?
Yeah, but come back now. 10:50 lava, I'm turn on the light, I must think some serious.
Pick out the breast, mama. Pick out the breast. The breast. Show them the clean skin. That me I talk about.
What is that?
Show them the clean
You just
skin.
want in everything. You just want in everything. You not nice, you just want in everything. Everything you either come off my life with you, the man talk no. When you itch up over yourself, I tell you, I want a mediator. Come off and go, you go my man.
So basically,
Yo. Whoa. No, it's a circle, sir. Whoa. Me not touch nothing. Not nice. So what you do? See there. Me not do nothing until me start say something.
I don't know. You run, yeah. Now move.